So when you have a home that has like over 80% shade, tree shade, then this is what happens to the vinyl siding. Tears it up pretty good. So I decided to take 2 weeks vacation because I needed to burn the time up or I'd lose it. So what I'm doing here is, last year I bought a whole trailer full of scaffolding. So I set it up around the house here. I'm pressure washing the siding. I have a pail, Mr. Clean, and a little bleach. And I have a Scotch-Brite pad on a brush there. And I soap it up and clean off the algae and I don't know if it would be mildew. So I could not imagine doing this with a ladder. With the uneven ground and all. Crazy, huh? So I bought this house 21 years ago. We had some kid come in, he was going to paint the molding on the house. And guess what? The ladder only reached up that far. So he got the primer coat on. So I'm also going to buy some brown paint, finish the trim here on this. So I did the other side of the house last week and I'm working on this side. This side will go a lot faster. The other side is a lot taller. So that's about, it's probably 30 feet from the peak. So the problem is I have a 2-car garage on this side of the house. So the 3 bucks I set up put me at about the 20-foot mark. So I had to have the planks on the top rung and I had to use a brush with a long handle to get around the vent up there. So good stuff. Making old vinyl siding look new. So those scaffolding are really helping a lot. So each buck is 7 foot tall. So I have 3 of them here. So that's around 20-21 feet, plus the screw jacks. And these bucks are 47 pounds each. So once I set the first set up, put the planks on them, then I had to haul up the other bucks with a rope and pin them, and then haul the planks up and pin them. The planks are about 45 pounds each, and the tie bars are light. So that was some bulwark. The scariest one was doing the top section. But once it's up, it's nice, very stable work platform. And this came from a brick company. They used to actually put pallets of bricks on these, so it's pretty heavy duty. So setting up scaffolding, taking it down, boy, that's some bulwark. But it's probably the safest and easiest way to tackle this job.